guys, it's Cassie and today I am with my mother. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
And we will be going through, Mum's going to do a little bit of a luxury haul of things that she's bought recently. She will be talking about why she bought them. If you've worn the things, you can do a little bit of a review. If you'd recommend and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy to be here?
Yes, yes. It's been a long time. I have missed you.
Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe to the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab?
Never.
Guys, are you ready? Let's go. What would you like to start?
Is this the right thing to do?
Yeah, it's whatever you
thing?
feel inside. You
Is
know,
there a
however
thing?
your body expresses yourself. Yeah. What do you want to start with?
Anything. What would you like me to start with?
Well, we're shoe heavy, so start with a pair of shoes.
Right, we'll go with the newest then.
Okay.
These.
A little bit of Valentino Tango.
Yes.
Divulge.
Heel size, one lower than the tall ones. I thought these would be easier to walk in day to night with a skirt, with a dress, with jeans, just with everything.
Yeah.
Really, this height. Super comfortable. Yep. And I'm actually looking forward to wearing these in a hot country. I'm thinking Ghana. These would be a good vibe to
Nice
rock
pop.
in Ghana. Did you think the colour was a bit weird when I showed you at first?
I thought it was more pink. This I think leans a bit more purple. Do you think?
Yes, it's cerise.
Oh,
I would
is
call
it?
this cerise.
Oh well, there you go.
Yeah.
You should work for Pantone.
True to size, yes.
Yes.
So this you really need to stay. So I'm at 38, no halves. Right. Next up, these. Struggled to get them.
Were they worth it?
And I could only get them in black. I wanted blue to begin with. If
Yeah.
I couldn't get blue, then I wanted the pink, which was actually a cerise kind of colour again.
Compete with your
Which I couldn't get, and then I just gave up. Waited, and then these just appeared. So I thought, well, only option, black.
These are the Manolo for Birkenstock.
Yes, and I've worn them a lot. I thought Birkenstocks are great.
You're a Birky gal.
I am. I'm very anything for an easy life. Most of the time. And comfort. And these you put on and you just go. So everyday vibe, if you want a good pair of shoes that will also stay to the form of your foot, then you want this. Because you always want your feet as well to be in shape. Also contour your feet quite nicely. So
There you go.
this
Dr.
highly
Scholl.
recommend.
You've got a
I know
competitor.
it's a bit over the price of a regular Birkenstock, but if you just want a Birkenstock with with a little vavavoom, then this
Manolo
is
for
yours.
Birkenstocks.
Why are you laughing?
Because it's quite ridiculous, but in a fabulous way. I mean, we love it.
It's actually thinking about it now heavy.
Yes.
But you know what this is good for? Nighttime. Somebody
right.
comes to do a cutting. I'm telling you, you've got. I don't really want to say
A weapon.
Well, in case they come for us. But it is. I actually look at this as, in a way, it's a piece of jewellery.
Yes, that's a nice way
Yeah.
of thinking about it.
Yeah, because this is really heavy and you can see how it tilts the bag. But if you cross-body it, perfect. It lies flat. Fits inside lipstick, credit cards.
No colder though. Just them straight in there. Isn't
Straight,
it?
yes, straight in there. You can have a little. No, I don't have my coin purse in here, but I have loose coins.
Okay.
So everything's just got to be bare naked in here. Oh, and I also have a little pen in here.
Look at you.
Yeah. I put a little pen in, a little post-it note.
TPE, tiny pen energy. I love the colour. I think it's so
The colour is
fun-looking.
everything.
Yes.
Next is, let's go for this.
A bit of merch.
Yes. I like merch from concerts.
Favourite concert off the top of your head?
Oh, you will not believe this. It's actually Rolling Stones with Daddy.
Well, I'm glad that it was one with Dad because
Start it up. Yes, with Daddy. We're not doing. If we do recent ones that have been with you,
I want to see if we have the same one.
do you know the one that got me on my feet dancing?
3, 2, 1, 50 Cent.
Oh, that was the second one.
Which one? Nelly.
Nelly.
Yes.
Nelly.
Yeah, Nelly
Oh,
was a
my
good one,
word.
actually.
That was like being in a nightclub.
It was, because it was a small venue
And
as
then
well.
the second for me was
50 cent.
50 cent.
Okay, going back to the merch.
Yes.
The frame
and it's the Ritz. Paris, yes.
Oh, I didn't know that it said that at the back. That's so cute.
Yeah, you do a late checkout, you have to pay extra, so maybe not show the back. But I thought, again, very, very good quality, plain white t-shirt. Zhuzh it up with a bit of just something.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
That's the way I looked at this. New collaboration, the latest one, I've just returned them all because I went for a different design of the t-shirt, the fitted. That was a size small, well, I thought. But I think to be comfortable, I like comfort. I have to get a medium.
She's a Chanel girl.
Not in everything though, because some things. But some things are funky, and I like a bit of
Funk.
Yes, definitely. Straight leg.
Well, they're sort of skinny-ish, aren't they?
They are. They're not fitted skinny though.
Yeah,
yes,
not too skinny.
Yes. So these again, regular colour jeans, denim. Add a bit of diamond shape to it. Some crisscross here and there.
Got a bit.
Looks like the quilting.
Yes.
In disguise. And great fit.
Okay.
I thought of. Yes, comfy, little bit of stretch. I've got them in black as well. If you go for the black, you've got more stretch, so more comfortable. If you go for the blue, there's still a bit of stretch, but not that much. Now, I thought I will share this because price point as well. This was a good price point. And why are you not in favour of this?
No, doing it because I want you to mention where you thought this was appropriate yesterday when we were talking about the items. You said, this is very X-City. And what I responded, because you were very wrong. Right, first we'll show the item, please.
So this is it.
It's a lovely, is this a linen?
It's linen.
Printed dress.
Yes.
That would possibly look like wallpaper that your grandmother may have in the bathroom. By
how would you pronounce that?
Claude.
Is it Claudie?
Pello.
Yes.
Piello. This dress. Bearing in mind, are we all seeing the same dress, right? And you said this dress is very what city?
I said it's very hot weather Miami.
And I said this is Surrey. This is Surrey in the spring. Where have you got Miami here, mother? This is far too conservative for Miami.
I did say that in the end.
Right, what do you like about it?
I said this was good for. I said Saint-Tropez.
After I said Surrey.
Yes. I think this is nice. Saint-Tropez with your sun hat on.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Some nice flats.
Yeah.
Yes. On. You didn't bring my flats,
yes,
did you?
Yes, they're down there.
Yes. Oh, see these.
There we go, another recent purchase that we'll get into.
Yes.
And why do you like this dress? I mean, it's very nice and light. And it's lined, which is great.
Yes.
None of your knickers showing.
Yeah, I don't like any of that. Belt gives it a bit of shape. Easy to wear. No, restrictions anywhere. And then you've got a lovely little frill that just adds a bit of,
that's nice.
Just adds a bit of interest.
On the shoulders.
That's shoulders.
Nice.
Every hot city it's going.
You've got two shoes or some ready to
wear?
wear?
Let's do the shoes and then finish with the ready to wear.
Okay.
Because they are the most recent. So, these.
We match.
Teddy bears.
Teddy Oran sandals.
Yep.
What size?
Right, these are to go half a size than my usual. So 38.5, and that is because the wool beefs it up a bit.
So I have the little pistachio-y colour.
Yeah.
And how come you went for this blue?
Well, I felt that these would go well with jeans.
Excellent point.
And autumn, spring, you get a bit of warmth to your feet. So again, going to buy petrol for the car. Going to do a quick supermarket shop.
Don't you love how, in order to go and just get petrol, which literally is a 5-minute drive from here,
you just slip your feet
the woman is in Hermes Orans.
If you don't want to be tying laces in trainers, you get your warmth from these.
I love it.
And then also, this would be a good airport vibe.
Next,
let's just do these and then go on to
Because
clothes.
we've got a bit of an interesting review on these, haven't we? 'Cause you've got a confession to make.
Have I?
Based on when you bought these.
Well, these I have. Do you know? Cassie thinks that it's about a year old. I think it's longer.
And how many times have you worn them?
Never. Never. Very, very bad.
Dear me. Is it just because
Very
you've just
bad.
not had the opportunity? Because I can see you, rocking these this autumn winter. So these are the Givenchy shark boots. And these are the very classic style. Because they've recently done a different foot bit that's a bit sportier. But lucky for you, your calves slip into them.
Easily.
Yeah, whereas some of us had some struggling and therefore couldn't buy.
So
Please wear it for those of us that can't.
I remember these coming out the first time.
Yeah.
And I wanted a pair, but then I thought, oh, they're just too expensive, blah, blah, blah. So I just forgot all about them. And now I wish that I had bought them because then they'd be vintage. You see. Yeah. So I thought I've got to cave in. It's also a pair that I think that I'd be all right wearing them on my own, wearing them to go out with you. But I think if I wore these to go out with Daddy, he'll have something to say.
Wait, shall we ask him? Hi, can you come visit us, please? We just wanted to get your thoughts on what do you think of these?
I don't know if I like that bit covering the heel and that at the bottom.
The whole point of the shoe?
Yeah. They look like what Cavalier, the lifeguards, the Queen thing wear. They have that.
You're not a fan?
Anything for me, I won't wear
Would you be all right with me going out in these?
it. As long as I'm not with you.
There we go.
I said that exactly. That just shows how long we've been together.
Yeah, you wear them, I wouldn't
But
buy them you, but there you
yes, he wouldn't buy them for me. That's why I bought them myself.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's all we need
bye for
from
now.
you. She's a Fendi girl.
Yes, buy convert from you.
Yes, I have influenced you.
You have. Oh, you've done your job well. I looked at this on the internet actually, and I thought, oh, I looked at this with Daddy, and he said, oh, they're nice. I think this will be good. Plain sweat. Yes.
And it's almost like a little bit shiny-ish.
Yeah, it's like a polyester nylon-y kind of fabric. And then it goes with this at the bottom.
Yeah, so it's almost like a belt.
It is a belt on the hip.
Yes.
That goes on the hip side, this bit. So you can take it off, wear it separately, which I thought would be good with
Little black dress.
little
LBD.
black dress, leggings.
Yes.
Any
Ooh,
straight,
I like that.
Why did you not even think of that?
No, but imagine.
It's obvious.
Imagine with a catsuit. That would
That's
look
you.
sick.
You
That's
like a
very me.
catsuit.
I know.
Yes.
I like to struggle to go to the toilet.
I could wear this with just in different ways. By itself, with jeans, with whatever. Add that.
To give it a little bit of...
Yes. Don't add it. Add this to something else. Options. We like options.
We do like options.
So that's that. Now, isn't this rather daft?
What?
This next one that I'm going to show you because
No, I think this is a...
it's the same.
It's the same concept.
Yes.
But the material is different and it's a different item. And also these suit you so much.
So there, pair of shorts.
So cute. Yes.
Again, you can take the belt off and wear them with straight pants. You know, straight trousers in England, we would say. Yeah, so you take that off. You can wear shorts on its own, white shirt,
They're very
lovely.
nicely tailored
You can
shorts.
have leggings with them, without. So all 4 seasons,
Yeah.
it will work.
I think this bit's brilliant. This lovely little clasp
It's
going
just the
on.
same, isn't
It's
it?
just
as the other one?
yeah,
Is it the same?
yeah, it is. But I just like that pop of hardware, you know, in an unexpected place.
So this is this I'd say is one of my most ultra fashionable pieces because adding that, you get me.
But
however,
the fact that it's detachable means that you've got versatility.
oh, and we have a pocket.
Oh, we've got a pocket.
Yes, but it's also one that, although now it's ultra fashionable, I can see this coming out in years to come.
Also, you haven't told us your sizes.
I did a small in that. A 38 in the Chanel trousers.
These are a
jeans,
40.
and a
These,
40.
what are these?
These are 38.
38 and a
And a
half.
half,
Not that we
yes.
know how it fits because you haven't even tried it. These
They're
are
a 38.
I think you've got a lovely little selection of pieces here.
Yes,
You've done
now I
well.
need somewhere to wear it all to, which I haven't got. For now.
No, that's why you have to come and visit me.
I know.
Apparently everybody thinks we look the same as well.
Really?
Yeah. Apparently we have the same face. You know Nee's theory is your face on Dad's head?
My face?
On Dad's head. Like Dad's shape of head. I know. That's why you keep saying it's brilliant.
It's true though.
It is.
Because it is Dad's shape.
And hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to leave a link to another video somewhere over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon.
We forgot one thing.
What?
This.
Oh, tell us about your Olivia Von... Is it Von Hale? Von Halle? Von Hale?
Maybe Von...
OVH.
Yes.
You bought a lot of her pyjamas.
Yes, only because they were in the sale. Because I've been looking at them, but I thought, oh, I can't pay full price
Yeah, it's
for what I'll be using them for.
Yeah.
So when they went in the sale, I thought,
Now's the
great,
chance.
yes, now's the chance.
Would you
And
recommend? Do you like them?
Yes, I would recommend. Very comfortable.
Because, you know, we're hurtling towards Thanksgiving and Black Friday sales, so
Yes.
you never know.
That's
Well, there
it.
you go.
Well, so, if you haven't already subscribed, well, carry on.
I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father...
If you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.
Bye.